What's up, YouTube? Randy and Matt here from Super Garage. We just made it to Utah, Sandy Auto Show. Right here in front of the CL1 right now. We're going to show you guys a couple cars today. Catch you guys in a bit. Here we are standing in front of the new LC500 from Lexus. I personally think this car is overpriced because the competitors to this car is like, what you got? You got the GTR, you got the M3, M4, you have a couple competitors, and personally, in my perspective, this car doesn't compete with cars in, I don't know, that price range.
Yeah.
So.
What about?
But I do like the interior. I think it's nice. I like the center console. I do think that they've upped their game a little, but that's about it.
What about color? Do you like the color?
I don't like the color.
Yeah, that's what Randy said too.
I would totally do
The interior
that.
color is weird, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's like a shit
It's a
color.
little more,
Yeah.
It's like way old school.
Yeah.
Nobody does this anymore, and there's a reason for it.
Oh.
Damn.
I think me, Danny, and Matt about to go get some food or something now. We'll catch you guys on the next one, and thanks for watching.